Stop. Don't move. Don't even breathe. Look at your phone right now, where it sits. Do you see that tiny, black, circular hole at the bottom? You think it's just a microphone. You are wrong. It is an open, 24/7 surveillance ear that has been listening to your heartbeat, your breathing, and your most intimate, private whispers for the last 3,000 days. While you were sleeping, it was listening. While you were crying, it was recording. While you were confessing your darkest secrets to your partner, it was building a digital ghost of your soul. Everything you have ever said is sitting in a server in a cold, dark basement in Silicon Valley. And today, Dark Vault is going to give you the key to that basement. Welcome to the end of your privacy. If you are a human and not a bot, prove it. Reach out and hit that subscribe button with the same force they use to steal your data. Don't let the algorithm hide this. By subscribing, you are telling the machine, I am awake. Type the word HIJACKED in the comments. Let them see that the resistance has started. Let's talk about evidence. In 2017, researchers at the Braunschweig University of Technology in Germany found the smoking gun. They discovered over 200 apps that were using UXDT, ultrasonic cross-device tracking. Your phone is constantly hearing silent screams, high-pitched ultrasonic frequencies that your human ears cannot perceive. TV ads, mall speakers, and websites are screaming at your phone in a language you will never understand. This is how they track you, even when your GPS is dead. It is a documented scientific reality. Late last year, a document leaked from Cox Media Group. They didn't just suggest they were listening, they bragged about it. They called it active listening, AI technology that analyzes your ambient conversations to predict your next purchase before you even think of it. They are harvesting your vocal stress, your pitch, and your emotions. They know you're getting a divorce before you've even told your lawyer. They know you're sick before you've seen a doctor. Remember the name, Edward Snowden. He warned us that the NSA has a program called PRISM. It isn't just about terrorists. It's about everyone. Every phone call, every text, every private photo is indexed. The microphone on your device can be turned on remotely without the light ever turning on. Your bedroom is now a government interrogation room. Don't believe me? Search the patent office. Facebook filed a patent specifically to turn on your microphone, to hear your TV. They want to know what news you watch, what movies you like, who you are with. It is a digital panopticon, a prison where the walls have ears and the guards are made of code. But why? Why do they want your soul? Because attention is the new oil. The AI builds a digital twin of you. It knows your insecurity triggers. It knows when you are feeling lonely. It knows when you are feeling ugly. And that is exactly when it shows you an ad for a surgery or a drug or a distraction. They are not just watching you. They are programming you. Every smart city is a surveillance trap. The streetlights, the public Wi-Fi, the digital billboards, they all emit the same ultrasonic signals. As you walk through the city, your phone is shaking hands with every pillar, every wall, and every camera. You are being pinged every 3 seconds. There is no off switch. We are moving toward a world Your phone will report you to your boss or your government for a conversation you had in your sleep. In some countries, this is already a reality. Your social credit score drops if your microphone hears you complain about the system. How long until it happens to you? You can tape your mic, you can buy a Faraday cage, you can run to the woods, but the parasite is already deep inside the infrastructure. The only weapon we have left is the truth. Tonight, when you lay your head down and you put your phone on the nightstand, look at it. It is watching, it is listening, and it never sleeps. Share this before the algorithm silences me. This is Dark Vault. Stay awake. Stay human. Goodbye for now.